Hey there, WordPress enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic free plugin that will supercharge the user engagement on your website. Highlight Magic. This powerful tool lets logged-in users highlight text, manage their highlights, and enhance their interaction with your content. Let's get started. First, let's install the Highlight Magic plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and click Add New. In the search bar, type Highlight Magic. Once you find it, click Install Now and then Activate. Step 1. Highlighting text. Now that we have the plugin activated, let's see how it works. As a logged-in user, you can highlight any text on your posts or pages. Simply select the text you want to highlight. You'll see two dots appear, one for selecting the highlight color and another for managing your highlights. Click on the first dot to choose your highlight color. Step 2. Color selection. The plugin offers a variety of colors, making it easy to organize or categorize your highlights. Select your desired color, and voila! Your text is now highlighted. Step 3. Persistent highlights. One of the best features of Highlight Magic is that your highlights are persistent. This means they'll stay even if you refresh the page or log out and back in. Let's test it out. Step 4. Edit and delete highlights. Need to change a highlight color or remove it entirely? Simply click on the highlighted text, and the color options will appear. Choose a new color or hit delete to remove the highlight. Step 5. User-specific highlights. Remember, each user's highlights are private. Your highlights won't be visible to others, ensuring a personalized experience on your site. Step 6. Customizable interface alignment. Now, let's take a look at the admin settings. You can customize the alignment of the highlight controls in your settings page. Choose from top, right, bottom, or left alignment to match your website's design. And that's it. Visit the WordPress plugin directory and start giving your visitors a tool to engage. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more WordPress tips. Happy highlighting!